Again, kapag ka po kayo, so kasama dapat dun sa sistema nyo is meron kayong realistic target. Kasi kung walang target, or kung may target ka nga, hindi naman realistic, ang mangyayari sa'yo, puro overtrading. Kasi wala kang tinatarget eh. Okay, yung target mo, parang gusto double your money every day. Diba? No such thing. So, if you want to be a successful active trader, ngayon pa lang, kailangan mo nang mag-decide at mag-commit. Kasi mahaba po yung proseso, Tito Pogs, di ba? Tsaka Tita Faye. So marami kayong pagdadaanan. So mauuna po is your commitment. You have to be intentional. Oy, tama. Paalala ni Tito Ben, no? Ito resulta, yung 3 C's of trading. In order for you to be a successful trader, kailangan mo tong 3 C na to. Okay? You have to be calm, you have to be composed, and you have to be confident. Kailangan kalma ka lang. Pag binubuhusan, okay, kalmado lang. Tsaka kailangan hindi ka natataranta. You have to be composed. At pag tumama na dun sa sniper zone mo, kailangan confident ka na pasukan yun. You have to pull the trigger. Wala nang baka bumaba pa. Follow for more Tito Moves!